One of the things that is affecting the availability of water all over the world is climate change. It is important that we protect our water sources by protecting our environment. Here's how you can play your part in limiting climate change. Keep the environment clean by properly disposing of your garbage. There are some things you don't have to throw away. They can be recycled or reused. What about that fruit peel you're about to put in the garbage? That can be used in a compost heap. Conserve water by reusing it where you can and by fixing leaks to prevent waste. Save energy by switching off appliances when they're not being used. By doing these simple things, you can limit the harmful effects on the environment, making Jamaica the place of choice to live, work, raise families, and do business.